In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy WinRAR. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup and also my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading the installation file, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the WinRAR download page. Here I will click on WinRAR English 64-bit, and that should start the download, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my executable, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers, and for that I will open File Explorer, and here I will enter my file server name, it's srv02. I will go inside of this software share, and here I will create another folder and I will name it WinRAR. I will go inside of it and I will place the executable here. And now that I have my executable here, I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, then I will select a new package. I will name the package WinRAR. Then let's click on steps, install. And here I need to provide my installation file, so I will click on the button right here. Once again, here I will go to my file server, srv02, software share, WinRAR folder, and I will select the installation file that I have here. And we also need to provide silent switches for this package to install silently, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have the silent switch that I will be using, so I will click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to PDQ Deploy, and insert the value here. And that's all that we need to do to create the package. Now we can save it, and let's close this window. And now I'll try to deploy this package to a few of my clients. So I'll click on it here. Then I will click on deploy once. I will select my computers by clicking on choose targets, going to Active Directory and selecting computers. Here I will select client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button right here, and the targets appeared in this window. Now I will click OK, deploy now, and now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. Then I will go to my start menu, all apps, and somewhere here I should find WinRAR. And here it is. I will try to open it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.